Hello guys, welcome to another video of this channel. So today I'll be withdrawing this amount here, like my $6 28 cents from Mobrog, right? Now previously I made a video about Mobrog, which is this one, and it has about 900 something views, right? Here I was basically kind of highlighting the platform, basically doing like a walkthrough on how the platform actually looks like and stuff. So today I said I want to do a withdrawal, and I did kind of made also another video called like my top 6 best survey websites that actually pay in 2026, and I actually include Mobrog on this video. So I said I'm going to try it, which I did, and arrived at the withdrawal amount, right? So that is what we're going to be doing today. So as you can see, if you go to my activity right here, you can actually see like some of the surveys that I did, right? And one thing that I want to do, of course, on this video is just to basically explain like how the platform operates and how it stakes compared to others. So what happens here is that unlike other survey platforms like GrabPoints, right, where you can actually see the types of surveys that you do or you want to do, right, here you won't see any type of survey, right? And what you do is simply go to the survey right here, kind of click, right, and basically wait for the type of survey that you want to do. They'll just, like pop up right here. So if you can see like some of these surveys, like if you do any survey, right, it is registered right here. The amount that they're going to reward you, the date, and the types of screened out, right? This will generate what we call like tickets, which you can find right here. If you go to lottery right here, you go at the bottom, you'll find the tickets right here. For example, let's see if I will be directed to a survey right here. If maybe I fail to qualify for it, it will create a ticket, right? So that's basically how this thing actually works, right? And another thing is that, as you can see, like also it generates like a new survey, right? So it automatically generates. So I don't have to kind of select the types of survey that I want to do. They just basically suggest it, right? And one thing that you can do, or what I love about this platform, is that first of all, right, if you go to activity, right, everything is in USD, right, is in monetary terms. It's not in points, right, where you need to make a couple of points and then you withdraw. No. It just is the money itself, right? And of course, when it comes to selecting the service right here, you have to click the auto, or kind of like automatic. There's a button which allows you to kind of select like service automatically. Let me go to the rewards right here. I'll go to the rewards and then I'll wait for it. So as you can see, I've got 628 cents, and these are the gift cards that I can basically kind of withdraw from. I can actually maybe donate to this or plant a tree or this gift card. But today I'm going to use PayPal, right? I think this one is the one that I prefer. It's powered by Tremendous, and I think this is one of the best like gift cards out of the drop, that's right. And you can go to the friends, the Mobrog balance 625. I don't know, yeah, it's just like that. Then you say pay out, right? That is being processed, you will be redirected automatically. So success, check your email, right? So this will be the email that I'm going to receive. So which means I'm going to go to my email, which is this one. And for that, I'm going to kind of close some of these, like my YouTube channel right here, so that I can go to my email. So I'm going to go to the one that I used to the register, right? So which will be this one, right? So I'm going to close this one. So this is the $6 kind of a gift card that sent, right? So I'm going to say redeem $6.25. Then it will take me to the Tremendous kind of reward part. Then here I will now have to, redeem it, right? They say hi Mobrog user. Mobrog would like to thank you. Here's a $6.25 gift card as a token of appreciation. To get reward, click on the redeem button, then follow the instructions on the page, right? Then this is the product, right? And then I need the payment international, right? So for the PayPal account, I'll put the PayPal account that I use, which is this one. I love to copy these things, but I don't want to have a problem. So I'd rather copy the email itself. So it is important to copy, guys, as to avoid sending these things like to a wrong email address. So copy it, then you go to the part. Don't type it, just copy it. Then you paste it, and then you paste it again. So make sure that you check that it's same. Then say transfer, but then it will transfer your gift card to your PayPal. So that will be it. So after doing that, you'll get this kind of a notification here. They said we are sending the money to a PayPal account. Your money will arrive shortly in the PayPal account, right, of this kind of email. So if you go to exchange, this is the money that you received, right? So they sent me $6.25 a gift card, right? So basically that's it. That's how you withdraw money from Mobrog, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this kind of emails, right? I'm going to go to a survey. Now, taking surveys on Mobrog, basically, I think it can be frustrating, right? Especially if you're living in places where there are no surveys. So that's the bottom part of this survey platforms, and that's why a lot of people don't like them. But if you live in a place where you can actually do surveys for a living, you can actually make something, right? And one thing that I would love to, as a kind of a tip, right, that I need to kind of give you is that if you're to do surveys, right, I'll say register multiple kind of accounts, right? As much as some of these they appear as kind of offer, what they call the partners or survey partners. Yeah, but I think just registering on different platforms, I think it kind of gives you like a chance to at least make something, a few extra dollars there and there, to kind of supplement your income, right? So I think that will be my own tip, right? So let's say I want to take the survey, right? Like I said, maybe we said which of the following do you have in your household? I say building, kitchen, maybe tap, hot cellar. Let me just kind of select these as fast as I can. Then I say fridge, and what else? So maybe this one and this one. Oh yeah, towels, no. So right, let me do this. I want to see if it brings me back to the button that I was telling you about. I hope that I get disqualified actually on this. Right. Let me see what happens. But this, yeah, fine. You can see like there's something that this thing that I was talking about, the autoplay, right? This is the button that I was actually talking about. That if you click this, right, survey basically they'll be like loading automatically. So if you don't select it like this or off it, you now have to go to this button and say try next. But for me, I just rather leave it to the autoplay. And in this case, like every like new survey is basically like automatically get loaded, right? And one thing that I love about this option is that I don't have to waste my time, kind of looking for surveys or refreshing or something like that. So that is something that I appreciate a lot about Mobrog, that they make this thing look much better, right? Now, in terms of the tickets, right, let's say, as I've said, like on the lottery, right, I've been screened out on this one. If I go to, let's say this night 5, right, night 5 tickets right here. If I go to lottery, I go down, scroll down to my tickets. I think maybe this one didn't like kind of land or something. But I was supposed to get like a ticket. Let me try again. Let me go to the service. Right? Okay, so guys, unfortunately, kind of I failed with what I wanted to do. But again, let me just go to the tickets, to the night 5 like tickets right here. Then you can actually see the tickets right there, the ticket that I was actually talking about, that if you're screened out of like a survey, then you get this ticket right here. And if you need to activate this ticket, you click on it like this, then you activate it, right? And then it will be added to the tickets that are kind of activated. So if you go to the activated tickets right here, you can actually see like all the tickets that are activated. So this one will help you in the lottery, like they run kind of a lottery. I think, I don't know, maybe it's every kind of month or something like that, or maybe after a few days, I don't know. So as you can see, this is the the kind of lottery that they're kind of playing right here. That the next withdrawal will take place on this date. And these were the kind of winners for June, right? So these are the people, and they won, and I think they won like £100. So that is the prize money that you're going to win. So 2 winners on this part. So I don't know, maybe I'll win £100 or I don't know. But again, that's basically it. So guys, that's all about Mobrog in this video. And again, I'll say thank you so much for watching this video. And until then, see you on the next one.